In this video, we explain step-by-step how to activate PivotNet to set up the BBVA Agent module. You will need a computer and a smartphone, and it will take you about 7 minutes. Let's begin. Create your new credentials. The process begins when you receive an email from Net at bbvapivot.com with the subject, Information for Service Activation. The email will contain the credentials for your first login. On your computer's browser, go to bbvapivot.com. Click on Login in the top right and log in to PivotNet with the credentials you received in the email. Enter your user ID. It must contain letters and numbers, 8 characters in total. It cannot contain symbols or the word BBVA and must be different from your local Netcash username. Set a new password. It must contain letters and numbers, 8 characters in total. It cannot contain symbols or the word BBVA and must be different from your user ID. Set a new approval code. It must contain letters and numbers, 8 characters in total. It cannot contain symbols or the word BBVA and must be different from your user ID and password. Click Send Email and you will receive an email with a 6-digit security code. The email will be from net at bbvapivot.com and have the subject BBVA PivotNet. Enter the security code emailed to you in the OTP box. Accept the personal data processing policy by checking the box and click Continue. Don't forget to click Continue to make sure the user registration process finishes correctly. Activate your mobile token. To use mobile token, you must have a biometric security system activated on your device, such as fingerprint, facial recognition, or pattern. If you only have a PIN code, please activate one of these biometric security systems before continuing. Download the BBVA Pivot app on your phone and open it. Log in with the new credentials you provided in the previous step. Remember that your company code has not changed. Enter your login password again. This is the same password you just entered in the previous step. Look for an email from Net at bbvapivot.com with the subject, BBVA PivotNet Activation Code Mobile Token. Enter the activation code received into the app. You will receive a security code by SMS. Enter the code received into the app. Once the mobile token is activated, tap the Finish button. Then, it is essential to close the app to move forward. Log in with your new credentials. Log into PivotNet with your new credentials. Remember that your company code has not changed. You will be asked for a security code, which you will have to generate from the app. In the app, tap the triple bar icon in the top right. Choose the mobile token option. You will have to identify yourself using your biometric system. Enter the transaction identifier into the app and tap the Generate Code button. Enter the security code on the website and tap Access. Set up the BBVA Agent module in your user. In In the top bar, click on Administration. Select the User Administration option in the drop-down menu. Choose your user and tap Edit. Click on Global Services. In Alerts, tap Activate Service. Just below, in BBVA Agent, tap Configure. Choose the expedients. Mark the 3 checkboxes and click Save. Click Save and Validate, and click Validate. You will be asked for a new security code, which you will have to generate from the app, like before. In the app, tap the triple bar icon in the top right. Choose the Mobile Token option. Enter the transaction identifier into the app and tap the Generate Code button. Enter the security code on the website and tap Accept. Disconnect from PivotNet and log in again to see the new menu options in investment banking and finance. Process completed successfully. The registration is complete. You can now start operating and enjoying the advantages of BBVA Agent. Remember that you can contact the support team at any time during this process to resolve any questions or problems by writing to gcs@bbva.com. BBVA, creating opportunities.